All right, guys, just so you don't see me, and thank you so much again, guys, for sending me a request. So today, I'm just gonna go back and show you um, feedback assistant. So for some of you guys have been asking like how to do this feedback assistant and what's the right way. To be honest with you, I don't really have any problem me doing a feedback assistant, but I don't want to make it to be like my only assistant where I can't do anything else. So as you guys can see right now, I am using wireless microphone. Give me a second. I'm going to show you right now. It's right here. The mic is on. So I'm going to basically show you exactly how to do the feedback assistant through this speaker right here. I'm going to ring out. You're probably going to hear a lot of feedback, guys. I suggest that you put your headphone on. But today is just basically just showing you how this thing works. I'm going to point this speaker here, hit this microphone on my speaker, like that. And then we're going to walk through feedback assistant. So without further ado, guys, let's go and let me show you exactly how this thing works. First of all, we're going to go to our soundboard. Right now, when you open your sound or speaker, it's going to be like this, right? It's going to look something like this. So what I'm trying to do basically, right? I am trying to take one of the output. Let's say you have 4. My 5 and 6 is my live stream, right? So I'm going to take one of this. Let's say I'm going to take bass 2 for the drummer, right? We can go here and rename it. Test. Let's just go and write a test. And when we're done, oops, I say yes. Test. And we say okay. So we're going to take this and always remember to put your type, EQ type is going to be PEQ and feedback assistant, right? Post EQ. And now we go back. So we can go back now to our fader. So what we're going to do is you can send exactly everything. Make sure all the volume it's properly gain. You gain your input properly. So we're going to go and send this. The way you send things, now you just go ahead, send to bus 1, bus 2. I'm going to send it to test right there. And now we can see mine is going basically, it's 0. We can go back and put it high more if you want to, right? We can go and basically put it all the way up. So now, what we finish here, we go now to our output. Now what we got here, it's this output right here. So we go to processing. You're going to press for processing. Right now, I already EQ everything. But what we're going to do is I'm going to take everything off of this feedback and basically restart everything from scratch, right? The way you do it, you press this to reset everything. I'm going to go and reset and say, okay, just press the screen. Bang, it's going to reset everything up. And everything is back to normal. As we see right here, this is how now it looks, right? What we're going to do is, so now we're going to press direct with detect. So our microphone now is on, is speaking. What we're going to do is, I'm going to take all this thing off. But even if we try this, let's see if we're going to get feedback, right? I'm going to show you this. Let's see if we're going to get feedback. Just listen. You heard that? If we go there again, let's go back again. I'm going to show you Now, without feedback, this is what you're gonna get. That's what most of you get, most of you guys does, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and basically lower all the volume down of your output, right? Meaning your basses, whatever you're sending to, you're gonna lower it down first, lower everything off, and now what we're gonna have to do is to go and basically press this hold right here. We're gonna take that off, and so now we're gonna go and restart the feedback, right? So recovery. You're gonna see me pressing, not pressing, but just put the volume up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put this microphone on the speaker. That's how you do it. So check this out. And when we finish, we can press hold. Voila. That's all, everything, guys. That's how you do your feedback assistant. And if you can do this, normal feedback. If we go back again, and I'll show you. So there is no ringing. And again, we can go back now and just tune it a little bit the way you want it. For me, I like to go just leave the way it looks here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back and basically just tune it a little bit. We're gonna press this right here, right? We can go back and tune it. We know 2K is always ringing. What we do is we can go here to 2K, and if you go up like this, you're gonna hear something also, right? It's changing. So what we can do is just basically cut down frequency, those frequencies. And we're gonna go and cut it down, something like this. And that's it, guys. So you don't have to do that much on your output. That's exactly how you do your feedback assistant. And once you're done, we check this again. No ringing. No ringing. That's how you do your feedback, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any question, please comment down below and ask me. I will be able to help you out. That's how you do your feedback assistant. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Ciao.